Good afternoon, children. I think
Good
we can
afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, very good afternoon to all. Okay, we can continue with what we are discussing in the morning session. Okay, the previous period we are discussing about the function, isn't not function, a set. What is a set? Shabari, what is a set?
Collection of well-defined objects.
It's a collection of well-defined objects, isn't it? Collection of well-defined. And we just learned what are the different types of sets. Different types of sets used in maths. Natural numbers, real numbers, complex numbers, isn't it? R plus, okay, R star. R stars means non-zero real numbers. Okay, so then now I'm going to give some examples. You have to tell me whether it is set or not. Okay, write down the question. Justify, write the question. Justify which of the following collections are set. Which of the following collections are set? Justify which of the following collections are set. Under that, first one, justify which of the following are sets. Under that, first one, collection of months in a year, collection of months in a year, starting with the alphabet M. Starting with the alphabet M. Collection of months in a year, starting with the alphabet M. Second one, second one, collection of chapters in max text. Third one, collection of best cricket players. Collection of best cricket players. Collection of best cricket players. Collection of best cricket players in the world. Best 5 cricket players, children. Collection of best 5 cricket players in the world. Fourth one, prime factors of 45. Prime factors of 45. Fifth one, collection of most dangerous animals. Collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Yes, tell me, children, how will you do this? What is your answer? Solve it and be ready with the answer. Which are sets, which are not sets. Find out the answer. Finished, Shabari? Shabarinath completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about the others? Is it over? Alan Jofi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, Rin, tell me first one. Is it a set or not?
Yes, it is a set.
It is a set, isn't it? Collection of all months in a year starting with the alphabet Yam is a set. If I give the month September, you can say the answer is no, isn't it? If I give the month as May, you'll be saying as yes. So it is well defined, therefore it is a set. Okay, Puja. What about the second one, Puja? Is it a set?
Yes, ma'am.
Collection of chapters in the maths textbook of class 10. It is also well defined. Okay. Tom Sebastian, third one.
No,
No, why?
because it can vary from person to person.
Okay, it will vary from one place to another place, from one person to another person. Okay. Next one. And Mary, fourth one. Prime factors of 45.
It is a set.
It is a set. Very good. Jewel. Jewel, fifth one.
It is a set.
Collection of most dangerous animals of the world. It is a
Set.
set. What is there any other answer for that question? John Philip, what is the answer?
Ma'am, true.
It is a set. But actually, it is not a set. How many of you wrote that as not a set? Raise your hands. Yes, very good. Meherin, John Jos, Malaviga. Yes. Okay, Rahul, good. Why it is not a set? Yes, those who wrote not a set, give the reason. Why? Hmm.
It's different in different ways.
Yes, okay. In geographical channel, and we might have seen. Okay, some of them are staying with the lion and all. They will be saying it is okay. It's a loving animal. What? We might have seen your sisters and all screaming, looking that it's even the small cockroach. They'll be saying it is more dangerous. Huh? Yes or no? Are you like that, Jyoti? Okay. You might have seen in newspapers that Vawa Suresh holding the snake and saying it is not at all dangerous and all. Yes or no? Huh? So it may vary from one person to another. So it is not a set. It is not at all a set. Okay? Yes.
And when we classify, like, when we say the top 5 cricket players, when we have a criteria, like on the basis of runs,
Repeat it.
like when we classify the cricket players, like top 5, there's a criteria like the run score. So the top 5 will be definite, right?
Top 5 based on the run scored there, some of them. Okay, here no criteria we are not mentioning. We just may give the best. Suppose we give the top first players who runs about 10,000. If it is given, some condition is given means then it will become a set. Okay, we can look at the total score taken by them and we can compare. But here no other extra criteria is given. It is given simply the best players. Okay. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
So if that condition is included, accordingly it will change. Okay. Is it okay? Now the set, is it clear? Next is we are going to learn about, I think we started with the notations, isn't it? That time only the power went. Okay, write the heading, notations. We are going to use some notations here. Okay, for example, look at the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then A is a set containing the element 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say the element 2 belongs to A. 2 belongs to A. Instead of writing this belongs to, we will be using a symbol like this. 2 belongs to A. 2 belongs to A. What about the element 5? Is it belonging to A? Is it there in A? Vinayak? 5, is it in A?
No, ma'am.
No. Therefore, what you can say? 5 does not belong to A. 5 does not belong to A. 2 belongs to A. But 5 does not belongs to A. 2 belongs to A. 5 does not belongs to A. Okay. What about the element 3 here? Whether it belongs to A or not, Jacob? What about 3? 3
Yes, ma'am. It belongs to.
belongs. Okay. Whenever we write the symbol like this, we say this is belongs. 3 belongs to A. 3 belongs to A. Okay. So this notations you should learn. Belongs. Okay. Now write the next heading. Next heading, representation of sets. Next heading is representation of sets. So we learned what is meant by set. Now we are going to represent the set. Okay, representation of set. The set can be represented in 2 ways. First one is roster form or tabular form. Second one is set builder form. There are 2 ways to represent the set. The set can be represented in 2 ways. First one is by using roster form or tabular form. Second one is set builder form. Second one is set builder form. Roster form or tabular form, and the second one is set builder form. Okay, now listen children, we are going to learn in detail about roster form and tabular form. Okay, so this sets, listen, keep your pen down, sit straight. Listen, all of you can write afterwards. First listen. Set, whether we are writing in roster form or set builder form, it should be written within these 2 braces. We call this as set braces. It should be included with, okay, within the set braces. The sets will be written within the set braces. Okay. So in roster form, okay, in roster form, what we will do is we will be writing the elements inside the set braces, each element separated by comma. We write the elements individually. Which are the elements there? We write it separated by commas. We list all the elements separated by comma. Okay, for example, if I write like this, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so this is the roster form. Can you tell me what is the set represents here? A, E, I, O, U. Yes, Dia. It is a set of collection of vowels in the English alphabet, isn't it? So here in roster form, what we will do? All the elements will be listed explicitly separated by commas. Suppose I write like this, 5, 10, 15, etc. That means 5, 10, 15, etc. That means, yes, Samia, what is the answer here? 5, 10, 15, etc. Yes, Samia? Samia?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this set? What is this collection representing here? 5, 10, 15, etc.
Multiples of 5.
5. Positive. Okay, we can write this as positive multiples of 5. So, in tabular form, all the elements are listed and separated by commas, and it should be enclosed within the set braces. But what about set builder form? In set builder form, we write the property satisfied by the elements. We write the property or rule satisfied by the elements. Okay, we give the rule or property. We'll not be writing all the elements. We just give the rule or the property. Here, listen, another thing is, here we write the property or rule. Okay, here we'll be using two symbols. Okay, listen here, we'll be using this two dots. We call it as colon or slash. Okay, and here whenever we read this as such that. Two colon is there or one slash symbol. Okay, but here when we read it, we will read it as such that. Okay, for example, look at the set of all vowels. Look at the set of all vowels here. We can write this in set builder form as set of all x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. X is a vowel of English alphabet. Sorry. Here we are giving the rule satisfied by the elements. Okay, instead of listing all the elements, here what we are giving in set builder form, the set of all vowels, how we are writing them? Set of all x such that. Okay, I'm not reading x colon. Okay, how we are reading, how we have to read this? Set of all x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. X is a vowel of English alphabet. Set of all x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. Look at the next case. This one, how we can write in set builder form? We can write this as set of all x such that x is a multiple of 5. X is a multiple of 5 and x belongs to n. We are taking only the natural numbers. We are not taking the negative numbers and all. So, set of all x such that x is a multiple of 5 and x belongs to n. Is it okay, children? How we are representing it? Is it clear? In one form, in roster form or tabular form, we list all the elements separated by comma. But in set builder form, we write the rule satisfied by the elements. We write the property which is satisfied by all the elements of that set. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Is it okay, Meherin? Shabarinath, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The difference, is it okay? Aman, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
John, Philip?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What about the others? Alan Joffrey, is it okay? Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, write that one. So, set can be represented in two ways. First one is roster form. Second one is set builder form. Okay. Look at here, children. Roster form. Okay. It is otherwise called listing method or tabular form. roster form or listing method or tabular form. In this method, a set is described by a listing element separated by commas within the braces. It should be written within the set braces. For example, A is equal to set of all A, comma, E, comma, I, O, U. Look at the next one, set builder form or rule method, set builder or rule method. So in this method, what you will get? In this method, we write down a property or rule which gives us all the elements of the set by that rule. In this method, we write down a property or rule which gives us all the elements of the set by that rule. Here we are writing capital A is equal to set of all X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. Set of all X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. Okay. Okay. Are you copying this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your video, children. I'm not able to see what you're doing. Are you copying? Valentina, Jacob?
Ma'am,
Yes.
should set builder form contain braces?
Yes. Okay, set always we will write within the set braces. Look at here. Here also we are writing it within the set braces. Okay, we write the rule within the set braces. Set of all X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. Okay. Okay, children, write the question. Write the question. Represent the following sets. Represent the following sets in roster form. Represent the following sets in roster form. Represent the following sets in roster form. Under that, first one, A is equal to set of all X such that X is a divisor of 45. X is a divisor of 45. Second one, B is equal to set of all X such that X, set of all X such that X is a letter. X is a letter of the word power. Third one, P is equal to set of all X such that X is a multiple of 3. X is a multiple of 3. And 3 is greater than 10. 3 greater than 10. Sorry, not 3 children, X. X is greater than 10. X greater than 10. And X belongs to N. X is greater than N, comma, X belongs to N. Write the answer. Come with your answer. Anaga, in which form these questions are given? In which form the sets are given here?
Ma'am, in set builder form.
Yes, it is set builder form. It is otherwise called rule. Rule. Okay, some properties listed here. We want to write it in roster form. Find out. Finished? Finished, children? Give the answer. Yes, Sanjana, give me the answer for the first one, Sanjana. X is a divisor of 45. Sanjana.
3,
Ah.
5,
3, 5,
15,
15,
1.
1,
No. 40.
1 is it a fact? 1 is a divisor or not?
45.
45. So 1 is not there or is it there?
And this is co-prime, right?
Here it is asked only a divisor. We are not it is not mentioned about prime and all. isn't it? We want all the divisors of 45. So what about 1? 1 is a divisor of all the numbers, isn't it? If you take any number, one is a divisor of any number. So you can take 1. Similarly, a number is divisor of itself. So 1 and 45 is possible. 3 and 15 is possible. Okay, you can write like this. 1, then I am writing 45. 1 into 45. 3 into 15. Then with 5, what is the next number? 5 into dash is 45. 9. So this is the answer. Okay, within the set bracket, we can write 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. What about the second one? Set B, power. X is a letter of the word power. Renil, give the answer, Renil.
Yes, ma'am. Answer of second one.
Second one.
X is the letter of the word power. The same word itself for the letters of that word.
So you should split it with comma. Okay. So P, O, W, E, R. Okay. Suppose some letter is repeated. For example, suppose I am taking the word. Give the word exceed. Suppose I am taking the word exceed. Then when I write this in roster form, listen children, exceed. Suppose I want the letters of the word exceed means we can write E, X, C. E is repeated, so no need to write. Only once is enough. E, X, C, D. No need to write E, E, D. Okay. If a letter is repeated, you have to present it only once. It is power. P-O-W-E-R. Look at the next one, C. X is a multiple of 3 and X is greater than 10 and X belongs to N. Pranav, can you give the answer, Pranav? X is a multiple of 3 and X is greater than 10. So what are the how will you write in roster form? Pranav.
C is equal to 12, 15, C is equal to 15, 18, 21, etc. Then
etc. Very good. Correct. This is correct.
close the bracket.
Close the bracket. Yes, this is correct. So here we are given with a set in set builder form. We are writing in roster form. Is it okay? Any doubt in this part? Is it okay, children? Navaneet, any doubt here? Navaneet, Anashwarya. Okay. Now write the next one, children. Write the next one. Write the following sets in set builder form. Write the following sets in set builder form. Under that first one, A is equal to set 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Okay, find out the answer. B is equal to set 5, 10, 15, etc. Third one, C is equal to Then fourth one, B is equal to the set. Find out. Some numbers are given. In which form the numbers are given, Anashwarya? The collections are given in the form. Here the sets are given in the
perfect square.
yes.
Roster form.
It is given in roster form. We have tried this in set builder form. Find out what is the answer. How will you write this in roster form? One second, children. Okay, you copied this question? You all copied this? Now you answer your attendance. Yes, children, you all copied the question?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, and completed that one? Okay, now we can check the answer. Look at the first one. How will you write the first one in set builder form? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. How will you write this in set builder form? Yes, Anaga, can you try this answer, Anaga?
Ma'am, x such that x is a square of a natural number.
Very good. X such that x is equal to x is a square of a natural number. Then
X less than 26.
x is less than 26. Okay. X is a square of a natural number. And x less than 26. Okay, correct. It is, sorry, x is not less than 26. X square must be less than 26. Look at here. If x is less than 26 means up to 25 square we should write. Okay, Anaga, note the correction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, x square must be less than 26. Is it okay, Niranjan?
Ma'am, we have written that x is such that it is a square of a natural number. So it can be less than 26 now.
X is a square of a natural number means how it will be less than 26? X is, okay, x is a square of a natural number. Okay, only square numbers. Okay, so x is less than or equal to 26. Okay. Okay. Is there any other way? Is there any other answer? X is a square of a number and x is less than or equal to 26. Any other way? Pranav, what's your answer?
The same thing.
Same thing. Now listen, children, is it possible to write like this? X is equal to n square. Okay, x is equal to n square. Okay, where n belongs to n. N is a natural number. 1 less than or equal to n, less than or equal to 5. X is, okay, I'm using only the notations there. Look at here. I'm giving the property. X is equal to n square. N is a natural number. And what about this n? N lies from 1 to 5. N is a number from 1 to 5. Okay, so anyhow, come with the answers. In the next class, we can discuss. Okay, find out the answer for this question. The next class, we can discuss about this. Okay. Try to find out the answer. Okay, children. Okay, end the session now. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.